Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. You want more information about how to reduce a dog's stress during a boarding stay? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to reduce a dog's stress during a boarding stay is www.oprah.com. See the page titled How to Get Out of Relationship Rut, oprah.com. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site wellnessmama.com, especially the page How to Make Magnesium Oil to Improve Sleep and Reduce Stress. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site stress.about.com. The web page Cortisol and Stress, How to Stay Healthy. Here's the link.